Yeah man, you know, so I keep my party last night with you, see me? The community, because you know, so that it's a violent free community. Last night on my birthday, I may have a couple get together and thing, and the soldier them just come out, no warning, no police in sight, no warning for lack of music, and I leave a curfew time it and kick over the whole of my consignment liquor them. But I try, because I have 2 youth to try to send back to school and 2 COVID thing and work kind of hard. So I'm going to try keep my little birthday party, make a little profit, and I'm going to kick over everything and fire shot in my party and tell them I mean, it's not a troublemaker in our community, because everybody know me, you see me? I go to it and I come to them, I keep football out of them, send me I go shop, because when my shop now, I go buy it for them, I see it. And the man can kick over my buckle, apple can, rum, Hennessy, much jagan, who for them mother fire shot in her ear. And I run with everybody, all the women them I run and them things, you see me? Totally badness, that's not governance, that's not nothing. So I'm kind of vexed and right now and left me in a debt.
Francis Harvey Francis,
Harvey.
commander for the Papine station.
Correct.
That means that residents are demonstrating today about an incident that occurred last night between about 9:30 and 10:30 p.m. where they said soldiers, members of the military, damaged some liquor and fired shots in the area. So they are demonstrating about it this morning. They are saying they are not pleased with how the soldiers are dealing with them, and there are also some other issues they are having where they are not able to use the playing field for recreational purposes. This kind of is happening. They have lit fire in the road, old cars and debris in the road. And what is happening here is that we, the police, we want to see how much we can quell the situation. So apparently what I understand is that the soldier was pulled from the area and basically investigation is happening. So this guy, that's what's happening. I'm not sure. I spoke with residents as the commander of the station. I spoke with residents and they have agreed to remove the blockages pending an investigation that's happening. And I told them that I'll be speaking to them periodically to see what is happening on the ground and to inform them of what is happening. In between time, what they are saying also is that there are allegations of members of the military speaking to members of the community in a particular way, right? And even members of the police who are speaking to them, right? What I will do is speak to my men, as we normally do. We brief my men every day as to how to deal with the citizens, right? The soldiers will have to do their part, right? Do their part now they deal with the citizens, because we want to have a good relationship with the citizens here, because for the most part they are cooperative.
Here at the Tavern Community Center, where residents just outside the gate mounted roadblocks in protest against what they consider to be abuse by members of the JDF. Last night it is reported to me that citizens were at a gathering where the police came, spoke to them and told them that they had half an hour to disperse. And they were there. They said shortly after the police left, members of the JDF came, and they said that they started kicking over the stuff, that's the allegation, and would have damaged and destroyed completely or almost completely all the drinks and other items that were part of the gathering. It is alleged that 2 children were also assaulted by members of the JDF. We're looking into that. I've elevated that to the person in charge from JDF who is here